What's up, guys? It's your boy Kenny Cam Doom. Hey, I wanted to share with you this message that I've actually went to this network event. I paid $500 for it, and I want to give you pretty much what I got from that event so that you guys can also use that to your advantage as well. What's real estate wholesaling? It's pretty much the art of getting discounted properties, right? It can be for houses, land, apartments, condos, townhomes, whichever properties you want to get. Real estate wholesaling is basically getting those properties at a discount. The main thing that is important when it comes to real estate wholesaling is motivation. It's basically how motivated is that seller, right? The more motivated the seller is, the less they will take for the property for a quick turnaround, right? If they motivated, they want to sell in 30, 45 days, boom, that's motivation right there. And then you can leverage that, and you can leverage a low cash offer for that quick turnaround. The best place that you can actually get motivated leads is in the county, guys. If you're going after a seller who recently just bought the house or recently just bought the land, a year or 2 years ago, they're not that motivated to sell. And if they bought it at the too high of a price, they're not going to be motivated to sell at a lower price, right? Versus if you go to a seller who's owned the property for 30 years, doesn't even live in the state, who is probably behind on their taxes, that seller is going to be way more motivated to sell their land or sell the property at a discount than a normal seller. This is what I got from that meetup. What they pretty much told me was go for the motivation. What you guys need to start targeting is you need to start targeting pre-foreclosures. You need to start targeting code violations. You need to start targeting absentee owners that own the property for a long time, right? You need to start targeting these type of distress motivation so that you can get the best return on your investment. And it's very important that you get these lists directly from the county, okay? So you want to search up the county that you're in. If you're looking for code violation, you will search up county code violation on Google, and basically that's gonna pop up. And if any is available, it's gonna pop up. If none is available, you probably do a little bit more digging, or you probably have to call or pay a little bit to get that information. But if you do, guess what? You're gonna have an advantage in the marketplace. You're gonna be able to have a list that has extreme motivation that nobody else has access to, right? Because let's be honest here, not everybody is willing to put in that work to get that list. Everybody is just going to PropStream, getting the list, and doing that, right? But if you go directly to the county, you cut off the middleman, spend a little bit more time, and get those records from the county, you're gonna have a way higher margin of success, probably a lot better response rate as well than a lot of other people who are in the same industry as you, right? You wanna target those type of lists, and I wanna give you one resource that I actually use to get property, to get records straight from the county. It's called Spec Print, right? They get it right from the county, all right? If that is too expensive for you, just go on Google, do the digging for yourself, right? PropStream is your last resources. Remember, PropStream is your last resources. You can probably even get a list from the county for free. That's what I just did. I just got 30,000 records from the county for free. Like, I'm talking about like, just download it. I was like, wait, what? Because in other counties, they didn't have that available. I had to use Spec Print to get accurate data from the county. But this county just has it open available. That's why I wanted to jump on here, man, to share that message with you guys. If you guys are looking for a new list, do that first. Go to the county and see if you can get a list from the county, right? And then if you can't, go to Spec Print. They're pricey, but they're worth it. And then if you can't do that, then go ahead and go to PropStream. That's all I got for you guys today, man. If you like this message, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'll see you in the next video. Peace.